Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the GE microwave display missing segments in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by unplugging your microwave, or you can also turn it off at the breaker for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can restore the power and check the display again. While this won't fix the hardware failure, it can sometimes clear the display glitches that is caused by the power surge or control board error. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists in your case. Then the second thing that you need to take a look at is the display. So if the exact same segments are missing every single time, even when the different numbers appear, you are almost likely dealing with a hardware issue rather than a software problem. So this is the important clue during the diagnosis. Now, one of the most common repairs that involves is the ribbon cable connecting to the display to the control board. So over time, the heat or the cooking can loosen the connection and it can create a poor contact points, causing the display segments to disappear. Now, if the microwave is mounted above the stove, years of steam and cooking heat can affect the display area. So signs of discoloration, corrosion or residue around the control panel often indicate the damage that can interfere with the display performance. So you can also fix that. Now, if pressing near the display temporarily causing the missing segments to reappear, then usually it is a sign of failing display connection or deteriorating contacts behind the panel. So this symptom is commonly seen before complete display failure occurs. So these are some of the causes that you need to keep in mind and you need to basically fix them. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.